Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be reacting to another video and I'm very excited for this one. So cześć and dzień dobry to our Polish friends. So we will be reacting to Dominik Dudek Be Good official video. So I'm very excited for this one. So without further ado, we will start. So let's go. Let's start. Here we go. Looks like in the garage. Some garage, okay. Driving. Dominik. Wait. He got beautiful voice. I love it. And it's very nice. It sounds really good. Let's continue. Wow. Oh. I really love the lyrics of the song. It's very nice. Oh my God. I really enjoyed watching this. It's like very positive, very nice lyrics. It's like, oh my God, beautiful. Wow, employee of the month. Bravo! So that is the end. It's very nice song. He gets the amazing voice. The lyrics of the song is beautiful. The beat of the song, I love it from the beginning to the end. So I really enjoyed watching this one and that is my reaction for this video. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you will be notified if I have new video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comment, some suggestion, just comment down below. I'm reading all your comments. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.